So, I want to talk about my workspace and the equipment I use for programming. For me, it's all very simple. I've seen people specifically do renovation for their home office, order custom furniture, and so on. As for me, I use furniture from Ikea, and my workspace is actually combined with my bedroom. Let me tell you more about my workspace and the equipment I use. Firstly, as we enter the room, the desk is immediately on the left. It's an Ikea desk, and I'll display its name on the screen. I used to have a smaller Ikea desk before, and I'll insert some clips in the video where you can see the desk. I like this desk, it's large, but I prefer it when there are some drawers to hide things. Or as you can see, I have boxes and organizers for papers. All of this is from Ikea, and I leave all the links below the video. Why did I choose this desk? Well, I got this desk for free, so I use it. On the desk there is also a mat to prevent it from getting messy, or as the desk is black and tend to show stains and dust easily. I'm not a fan of that. This mat cost me €5 from a local home goods store. There is also a mouse pad, a regular one that I bought from Ukraine, and I don't even remember where I got it and how much it cost. The main thing is that's work for me. On it you can see a Logi M590 mouse, a small Bluetooth mouse. It can be connected via Bluetooth or through a special adapter with a USB connector. If you're using a personal computer, you can insert this USB into your computer and connect the mouse. I like this mouse because it's small, convenient, and works quietly. I've left the link to this mouse below the video. I bought it for around 25–30 euros, but I'm not sure about the current price. Check the link for the latest information, especially during Black Friday sales. Moving on, I have an additional monitor. I use a MacBook laptop and an additional monitor. I really like this monitor. I bought it this year. It's a LG 4K monitor with the ability to connect via Type-C, and it also charges my MacBook through Type-C. So I only use one cable for my MacBook. It's very convenient and I like it. You don't need too many cables to connect the screen and MacBook. What I like about this monitor is that it integrates well with Apple devices. It has many different ports, and for its quality it's quite budget friendly. I bought it for around 350 euros. The image quality is great with various settings. The monitor also has built-in speakers, but can say the sound is very good. The MacBook has better sound. Now let's talk about the MacBook. I have a MacBook Pro 2021 with M1 processor and a 13-inch display. I really like it for both programming and video editing. It's fast, doesn't lag, and the cooling hasn't even turned on yet. Before this I had a Dell Inspiration and 2-in-1 laptop and tablet, but it could handle even basic video editing. This MacBook is excellent. It handles programming and even large video projects easily. I also have an adapter that I use only to connect an external hard drive. I use the external hard drive for video editing, where I store all the videos and photos for my YouTube channels. I have 2 YouTube channels, one is in English and one in Ukrainian. The adapter has a card reader, USB ports, and Type-C ports. As for the disk, it's a SanDisk with 2 terabytes of storage. I recently bought it and also has the same one with 512 gigabytes. I'm very satisfied with quality. It's fast, touch-friendly, waterproof, and affordable. I recommended it, and it comes with a cable, make it easy to use. That's all the equipment in my setup. I want to get a separate keyboard. If you have any recommendation, let me know in the comment. I was considering a small keyboard from Logitech, but I'm still decided on something compact, similar in size to the MacBook keyboard I also need a separate webcam, and I want to add some lighting under the top shelf for comfortable work in the evening. So that's all I currently have. Let me know in the comments if you have any advice or if you use something similar to what I have. I'd love to read your thoughts. That's it for me. Thank you for watching this video until then. Subscribe to my channel. Happy coding!